We're now at the stage where we can put our views onto sheets and send them off for print. So first we're going to look at sheets and setting up sheets. If we come over to our project browser, scroll down, we have a sheets heading. And always by default in this template, you'll have one sheet there, the A100 unnamed. Double tap that. This here will open up our title block. This is an A1 title block. Again, because we're using an Autodesk template, this is their Autodesk title block. You will of course be creating your own title blocks in the future. And within these title blocks, they are active dynamic title blocks. So here we have our revision panel, where as I showed you in the Annotate tab, here are our revision cloud. When we place a revision cloud, we can attach information to that revision cloud, which will be displayed here in this panel. Down here, we're able to specify the project name, which will change all of the title blocks to have the same name. The title itself is specific to that drawing, the client as well. All of the title blocks will update to display the client. The drawn by, checked by is specific to the drawing. The date, again, is something you would set. The scale is set when you bring in a view. The scale of that view is then displayed. The project number, again, is something that will be shown the same across all title blocks. The drawing number, again, is specific to the drawing. And the revision will appear when we start to add revision clouds.